feeding the alligators. Or piranhas. Amazing. We've still got our heron sitting up here waiting.
Alright. No. That's AU6. He's just drops like a stone.
Have you seen the heron at the top of the tree?
Aye. He's alright there. He's just watching, waiting, see if he picks up any scraps. He knows if he comes down on the ground I'll be over at him. I spend all summer chasing him. He spends all summer annoying me. Yeah, that was some big dive there from that AU6. I could hear the thump in the water from over in the car park.
You missed the fish though.
Yeah, but